Let me show you how to enable and disable Edge panel on any Samsung S10 series tablet, also how to customize it. So first, if you want to enable it or disable it, we can go in the settings in the display and under here. So you see you can enable or disable it over here. So if you want to customize basically the look and also location of it, you can simply click on the text of the Edge panels, and then as you see, if you click on the handle, you can, for example, adjust the position, for example, on this side, and if you manually maybe drag it here, so you see by this arrow, you can also move it pretty much everywhere. Also the position, transparency, size, for example, if you want to make it large, and also the thickness of it as well. So only like very small or also very thick as well. So if you want to basically put some things over here, so you see you can simply swipe up and you see you have this pencil thing. Okay. And then, for example, yeah, you can easily add some apps there, yeah, by simply clicking, and also like arrange the location of it as well. Yeah, once done, simply go back, and if you check now, I see you have all these new apps here. If you click also this like grid thing, so as you see, you can also like open up basically the app list as well. Okay, like